In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a chatbot using Dialogflow. We'll begin right in your browser. Type Dialogflow into your search bar and head to the official Dialogflow console from Google. This is where you'll build, train, and test your chatbot. If you're prompted to sign in, use your Google account. If you're already logged in, you'll land directly in the console. On the left sidebar, look for the option to create a new agent. An agent is essentially your chatbot project, the place where its understanding, responses, and data all live. Click Create Agent. Give your agent a clear, descriptive name, choose the default language your users will speak, and set the correct time zone for your audience or business. Then create the agent. Every new agent includes two helpful starters: a default welcome intent, which greets users, and a default fallback intent, which handles things the bot doesn't understand yet. Next, it's time to teach your bot what people might say. Open the Intents section and add a new intent. Think of an intent as a goal your user has, like making a reservation or asking for opening hours. In the Training Phrases area, add 10 to 20 realistic variations of how someone might ask for that thing. For example, you might include, "I'd like to book a table," "reserve a seat," or "Can I get a reservation for tonight?" Keep phrasing varied and natural so the model learns the different ways people talk. Now decide how the bot should answer. In the Responses section, write a friendly, helpful reply that acknowledges what the user wants and, if needed, asks for more details. Short, clear responses work best, and it's fine to include follow-up prompts that guide the conversation. If your intent needs specific details like date, time, party size, or location, create entities. Open entities and create one to define the categories or values you want to capture. In your intent, map those entities to parameters. Mark any key parameters as required, so Dialogflow automatically asks for missing information before completing the task. This keeps conversations on track and prevents incomplete requests. Use the Try It Now panel on the right to test your phrases instantly. Watch which intent was matched and what parameters were extracted, then refine your training phrases or responses until the behavior feels solid. When you're ready to share, go to Integrations and enable the web demo. You'll get a link or code snippet you can add to a website, perfect for quick demos and feedback. That's it. Your first Dialogflow chatbot is ready to try.